Hi guys, it's Taylor. Today's video is Spring Fashion Trend 2021. This video could kind of act as spring closet essentials, but I'm basically bringing you guys the fashion trends of 2021 for spring, at least my interpretation of it. Stuff that I have been seeing all over social media, that brands are selling, and honestly just pieces that I've been so obsessed with and I can see them transitioning into our wardrobe for the springtime, also carrying on into the summer. All of these pieces I show you guys linked in the description box. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with accessories, and the first one has literally taken the storm over social media, and it is beaded phone charms. So these are like literally everywhere, all over Etsy. I've seen people making them on TikTok. They're so popular right now, and guys, so freaking easy and affordable to make. I personally would rather just make it myself than spend money on one because you can personalize it and it's honestly really fun. So I will link the video that I just posted. It was a vlog including how I made my phone charm. It is so easy. Everything that I got is from Walmart. You basically just use like bracelet beads and braided string. I'm obsessed with mine. So freaking cute. And such a vibe for spring because it has a bunch of pinks on it, yellows, purple, orange. It's just perfection. So if you do not have a phone charm already, definitely make one. It's not even that practical. It's more just for a little cute accessory, but you can just hold your phone like this and use it as a wristlet. And can we just talk about how cute it looks with my wildflower phone case? Anyways, so next, you guys have probably guessed this one, but it is colorful chunky rings. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I post about this brand probably like every week. Whenever they have a new drop, I buy new items. Some people make clay rings, but they honestly don't hit the same. These ones are just perfect, kind of like wood-like, but they're also like plastic at the same time. I don't know the details of it. I just know that they are adorable. And I have a kind of brown one, I have a pink one, I have a red one, and I have an orange one. I'm just so obsessed with them, and definitely check out this brand because you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm so obsessed with them and I cannot go a day without wearing them. Next up is beaded necklaces. So I have this one from Princess Polly. I've seen like Kendall Jenner wearing a beaded necklace before, and I was like, that is gonna become a thing because of her. So I found this one on Princess Polly. It's pretty much just a pink floral beaded necklace. Princess Polly has a lot of good options, and they're honestly the place that I go to when I'm looking for like the new season fashion trends because they have so many options and they're always like ahead of it, I swear. And they just do the trends so well. So I just have this one. It is so cute, and this just reminds me of like a vacation necklace, but it's way more cute, and this is my new everyday necklace. Both of these, even just in general, like really cute and playful jewelry. As you guys can see, I have this cute little like moonstone heart necklace from Ana Luisa. I thought that like played right into that because it kind of looks like a 5-year-old's necklace, but so does all of this, and for some reason we're just obsessed with it. Next up is sunglasses. Obviously sunglasses are always super popular going into a new season. There's always a bunch of different styles that are becoming really trendy and just kind of play into that season. So firstly, I have these like 70s inspired aviator sunglasses. I've had these for a while. I'm just ahead of the trend. No, I'm just kidding. But I've had these for a few months now, and I have been seeing them all over social media recently. So a lot of people are picking up on this trend. I got mine from a small business called Indie. I'll have obviously these linked down below, but I know you can get them on Amazon too. Like there's other options, but how cute, guys. They just really elevate your outfit and make you look so cool. Like, I literally got these in September and they're just becoming popular now. They're a vibe for fall, but transitioning into the spring, these are a really good option because they're still kind of wintry, but I could wear it with this outfit and it's still gonna look cute. Definitely pick up a pair of these. And then next up, I have rimless sunglasses. So these ones I got from ASOS. Just the 90s inspired, like kind of vintage Chanel sunglasses are so popular right now. And I've seen a bunch of different styles where they're not like brown, they're colorful, like pink, blue, orange. If you can find a colorful one, that's definitely a lot more fitting going into the spring and summer, but these are a really good option too. Moving on to shoes, I have a few different pairs to show you guys, and then we will move into the clothing. So firstly are platform sandals. These have been popular for a while, but I live in Canada, so I'm just getting into them. I can't even wear them now. Probably in a month and a half. I just have these black platform flip-flops, which these are just bringing me back because when I was 5, I used to have a pair of these that were hot pink. But I've also seen those really chunky, kind of dad-styled sandals, and I've been wanting a pair of those so bad. I just haven't been able to pick any up because they're always sold out, but I'm hoping to get some going into the summer because I'll be wearing them all the time along with these. Just honestly, anything platform that's a sandal is so popular, and there's a lot of different styles you can get, but these are just the specific ones that I have. Next, we have a pair of boots. These as well became very popular in the fall time because I have them in black from Zara, but I've seen over the last month or two the white or cream color come in style, and these are actually from Aloha's. I have them in a 37. I would honestly say they run kind of small because my foot is like pretty squished, but they are real leather, so they will stretch out. Zara also sells a very similar style to this. I think they're just white instead of cream, but I'm gonna be wearing these on repeat in the spring. And like I said, I have them in black, but I feel like those are more fall based, so I'm really excited to add a lighter color, but I'm just obsessed with these like chunky soles. Lastly, for shoes, we have chunky dad sneakers. These have obviously been really trendy for a long time. It started last summer, but I recently just picked up a pair. I finally just bit the bullet and got them. They are the New Balance 990 V5s. There's so many different styles of these, and a lot of different companies make them. I know there's like a bunch of different New Balance ones. There's also some really cute Nike ones, so they're really not hard to find, but these are still really trendy and will continue to be trendy going into the summer months. These with a cute girly dress is gonna be my outfit on repeat. They just really dress down the outfit, and I don't know, it's like the juxtaposition of the dress with these that just work, and I think it's really cute. Moving on to clothing, the first trend that I have been seeing everywhere is funky or floral prints. I just have this one from Princess Polly. It is the most beautiful pastel green daisy printed cardigan. It is actually perfection, and I cannot wait to wear this. It is finally getting warm enough where I could probably get away with being outside in just a like thick chunky sweater like this. Chunky cardigans like this are always really popular in the fall and spring because we're still like transitioning in and out of that warm weather. I just love these really colorful prints for the spring because they still keep you really warm and are practical, but they just add like that element of fun and just really get you excited for spring. So Princess Polly has a bunch of options. Maybe even in the thrift store you could find a bunch of really cool vintage designs, funky color blocking ones. They're really not hard to find, but this is just the specific one I have. Next up, we have thick chunky cardigans. I have this beautiful lilac cardigan that I got from Zara. This is just the perfect color for a thick chunky cardigan for spring, and Zara always has so many options for chunky sweaters and stuff for every season, so definitely check there. But this is so fun and versatile. You can wear it done up like this, you can undo it and wear a tank top underneath. There's so many different ways you can wear it. Chunky cardigans are just so practical, and it's just really exciting when I find like really cute ones that I can wear for the spring. Obviously this one is a no-brainer, but pastel colors, they always become super popular once we get into the warmer months. This one kind of plays into the last trend I was talking about, but I just have this pastel yellow button-up cardigan from Garage. I like this one because it's a little bit crop, perfect transitioning into the spring. And on the contrast of that, we have bright colors. It's kind of funny how they're both trending right now because they're on the total opposite side of the spectrum, but I'm really here for it. So the first piece I have to show you guys is this adorable bright orange little halter top that I got from Princess Polly. If you guys saw my previous video, you would have seen that I just picked this up. This color specifically has been trending so much. I see it everywhere, and so many clothing companies are coming out with pieces in this color, and I'm so obsessed with it. Something about, like, you can see I'm just obsessed with oranges and yellows and greens. I can't stop. And another option for bright colors is this bright, like very bright cardigan that I got from Honeybum. This is a really good option for the weather right now where I live because I still need to wear warmer clothes. But I really want to get into wearing funky, fun colors for the spring. It's obviously very in your face, not everyone's style, but those really funky, bright colors are so popular right now. It's ugly, but it makes it cute. that makes sense. Next up, we have rompers. I have a few different options to show you guys, and honestly, I've never really been one for rompers. I never really got into them. They just like didn't suit my body specifically. But I found some really cute ones recently, and they're really like edgy, sporty ones, so popular recently. So firstly, I just have this little kind of like bike short romper set from Garage. This as well I picked up a while ago, and I've been seeing it all over Pinterest. Like even a bunch of the models are wearing it now. So I'm so excited that I picked this up, and it's basically just a like spandex unitard set. It looks like a dance outfit. I love this too because it is super tight, so it just like sucks everything in. There's so many different ways you can style this going into the spring. Like you can wear this under a trench coat, you can wear it with a zip up hoodie, you can wear it with a button up shirt, or you can just wear it by itself. Like I said, I've been seeing all the models wear it, so you know it's cute. And I like this too because it's already an outfit. Like you don't have to stress about what top to wear with it. How am I gonna style this? Like you can just wear it as it is, and it's already really trendy and cute. And another option I have for a romper is this one I picked up from Princess Polly. This is what I just showed in my recent haul, and I'm so obsessed with this. I'm like waiting for the day that I can wear this out. Basically just a like little thermal long sleeve short romper. You guys can see the trend here. The really tight kind of short styled rompers are what I have been seeing everywhere, and a lot of stores are selling. I feel like this is very like Australian girl vibes, but I'm obsessed with it. And this as well, so many different ways to style it. You can wear it with sneakers, you can wear it with knee-high boots, you can wear it with docs. Like honestly, the possibilities are endless. Like I said, never really been one for rompers, but the new styles that are coming out have got me really excited, and I have a few options going into the warmer months. Next up is sweater vests. I'm sure we probably could have all guessed this one as well. So a really good option is the one that I'm actually wearing right now. This one is from the Emma Rose Beginning Boutique collection, and I love this. This is probably my favorite item that I've picked up recently, and I'm so excited to wear it literally anywhere. In the fall and winter, the really chunky oversized sweater vest were in, but now as we're going into the warmer months, I've been seeing the kind of just like cropped or regular fitting sweater vests everywhere. If you're gonna get a sweater vest going into the spring, definitely just get like a regular length one because it's a lot easier to style with like shorts and stuff or a skirt. But if you're more into the oversized cardigans, I also have this one that is just the perfect print and color going into the springtime. So this is just a pastel green and cream sweater vest from Princess Polly, and as well the Argyle print has been so trendy, so this tackles both of those trends in one. This print and color is just everything for the spring. Next up is low-waisted jeans. This as well I never thought I would hop on, but I could not help myself. I've been seeing so many cute styles, and this specific pair that I have is also from Garage. I'm sure a lot of other stores sell low-waisted pants. I just personally haven't really seen them anywhere, so your best bet would be to go to the thrift store. There's so many options, and they're really vintage inspired, already worn in. Like there's so many pros to getting them at the thrift store. But I just have this pair from Garage. They're like a super baggy, low-waisted denim that have these slashes on the outside of your legs just to make it a little bit more edgy. I don't know how often I'll be wearing these over my like regular straight leg or wide leg denim, but these are a really cool pair of jeans to add into your wardrobe to kind of spice up an outfit sometimes. My biggest tip for low-waisted pants is if you want to get into them but are kind of nervous and not really comfortable with them, suggest like a corset top that has a like V in the middle so it covers more of your stomach. I also have this really cute like high cut bodysuit where it kind of like shows your hips a little bit more. These pants look so cute with that. Just try to wear items that cover more of your stomach, even just like a regular length shirt, and you'll feel a lot more confident when you wear the low-waisted jeans. Next up, we have trousers. So I actually have this pair from Pretty Little Thing when I worked with them in the fall. And I didn't wear them throughout the winter months, but I've been seeing these all over my Pinterest, like styled with a cute little white crop top and some sneakers. And I feel like that's a lot more wearable in my personal style. So I'm really excited to bring these out into the spring months. I just have this kind of like camel colored pair, but these are really easy to find at the thrift store, so I would suggest looking there probably in the men's section. I honestly want to go look for some more because I've been seeing them everywhere, and I really want like a black pair and a pinstripe pattern. That would be so cute. And they're honestly just as comfortable as sweatpants because they're really loose fitting, but just really elevate the outfit and just make you look like you have good style. Next up is vintage slash Y2K top, specifically on, I believe it's called Almighty. They have so many different styles and colors, but I found one on Princess Polly. I love this one too because it's a longer fit, so it looks really nice, specifically with those low-waisted jeans that I have from Garage that I just showed you. This is like the perfect top to wear with it because it is longer fitting, so it covers more of your stomach and makes you more comfortable wearing it. This literally looks like something I would wear when I was 6, but I'm okay with it. The next trend is button-up shirts, and I'm so excited about this one. I've honestly never felt more confident when I wear these. I don't know what it is about them. They're just very like masculine, but they just make you feel very powerful. So I have 2 different options to show you guys. They're both from Garage, but these as well, perfect item to find at the thrift store. So just check there in the men's section. There's always like hundreds of different styles and colors and sizes. I would suggest getting a like large or extra large for that oversized boyish look. But the first one is just this white button up, very classic. You can wear it with so many different things. It can be a beach cover up, you can wear it with bike shorts and a little crop top, and these are probably going to be like, if not the most popular top going into the spring and summer. And then I also have the exact same button up from Garage, just in this like orange pinstripe color. This is just perfect for the spring and it matches my ring. I'm just really excited about this. This one specifically I would think is more fitting as like a beach cover up, but it's also like a really cute playful pop of color for the springtime. So matching sets, obviously I just wanted to show you guys my favorite one that I'm so excited to wear. So this one is from Garage, and it's just in this beautiful pastel purple, lilac, whatever you want to call it, and it's a like little cropped zip up and Bermuda sweatshorts. I'm so excited about Bermuda sweatshorts. I feel like they just got popular last summer, so a lot of places weren't really selling them and haven't really like perfected the style of them, whereas this year there's so many styles coming out and I'm so excited about this. I literally have like 8 pairs of Bermuda sweatshorts. I'm loaded and ready, and I'll be wearing them on repeat. So I just wanted to show you guys like a cute option for the springtime, and Garage has so many different colors and styles, so I highly recommend checking out Garage. They're always like on top of the color trends, and they have like orange ones, blue ones. They seriously just kill it. Specifically the zip ups, I feel like they weren't that popular last year, but this year they're everything. I had another kind of matching set written down on my notes for this video and I forgot to talk about it. I'm so mad. But basically those matching pinstripe or checkered button-up shirt and short sets, specifically Matilda Jerv's clothing brand, she has really cute matching sets that almost look like pajamas. And Emma Rose also came out with a set in her clothing line. I tried to buy it and show you guys in this video, but it sold out when it was in my cart. But I'll insert some photos to let you guys know what I'm talking about, but basically just plays along with the button-up shirt style that's been really trendy for the spring, and if you guys see any online, it definitely picks them up. And lastly, we have jackets. I only have one to show you guys, and it is a trench coat. This one I picked up from Princess Polly, and I am so excited about this. I've honestly always struggled with figuring out the perfect coat for spring because I feel like it's not leather, because the leather jacket is very fall, but I'm not the biggest fan of denim. So this is like my dream coat and I'm so excited about this. It's honestly just the perfect coat for spring because it's very lightweight, but it's long, so it does cover your legs if you want to wear a skirt or shorts or anything. It does give you that extra warmth. Spring in a coat, very excited. And if you guys have not picked up a trench coat, you need to get one for the spring because I've been seeing them everywhere. And like this over a romper, or you could just wear like straight leg jeans and a little crop top under. Trench coat as well, you could definitely find at the thrift store. That is actually all the trends I'm going to be talking about in this video. As I previously mentioned, this is just my interpretation of what the spring trends in 2021 are going to be based on what I've been seeing everywhere. So don't come at me if you don't agree with me. Remember, fashion is subjective. Go get your bright colors, go get your funky prints. Happy spring shopping. And I really hope you guys like found this video helpful with me styling everything. Give this video a like, leave me a comment of what fashion trend you're most excited for this spring, and I'll see you guys in a few days.